The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello Snappy Kids, how are you all? Good? Some of you might know me. Who am I? Yes, I am your 9th teacher and I am also the class teacher of standard 6th D. So children, today's session I will be handling your computer class. You all know in the last session we have completed our second chapter. So to summarize our second chapter, today I have Niranjana of 6th C. So let us see how Niranjana summarizes our chapter.
My name is Niranjana. I am studying 6th C. I am going to summarize the lesson 2 using control panel in Windows 7. What is control panel? Control panel is a feature of Windows 7 that enables to costume the settings for Windows according to the requirement. Opening control panels are 2 steps. Step 1. Click the start button. Step 2. Click control panel on the right side of the menu. Changing the clock settings are 4 steps. Step 1. Control panel windows. Click clock, language and region option. Step 2. Date and time option. Step 3. Change date and time button. Step 4. To change the day, month and year in date section. Thank you.
Thank you Niranjana, you have done it beautifully. And now I have Aditya of 6th B to show us practically how we have done the works in the second chapter.
I am Aditya from 6th B. My class teacher's name is Mini the teacher. I am going to summarize our second chapter on IT control panel. Come, let's do it. Click on control panel. Open hardware and sound. Choose mouse option from device and punches. Click on pointers. Choose any styles and click on apply and OK. Look, the mouse pointer have changed. Move to our next topic. Step 1. Click on control panel. Step 2. We can select hardware and sound. Choose system sounds from sound option. Click on sound. Select any startup songs. This is the sound. Then click on apply and OK. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you Aditya, you have done it very well. So my dear children, in the next classes I need some of you to do the same. So children, shall we move to our today's session? Okay. Today we are going to start our third chapter. Our third chapter is More on Word. In this chapter we will be learning some features and the uses of MS Word. Okay. So shall we start our session? So my dear children, you all are familiar with Microsoft Office Word, right? I know you all have worked with it. In this chapter, we will be working with it, and our first topic is paragraph formatting. In this topic, we will be learning how to format a paragraph. That is, if you are taking your textbook, you can see the words in the documents are neatly arranged, right? There will be space after each line and there will be space before and after a paragraph and all, right? Through this chapter, we will see how that is done. So, shall we take a look? Okay, let's see. So, children, I hope you all remember how we work with Word, right? So, let's see. To open MS Word, first we need to go to Open Word, go to Start, on Programs. In all programs, you can see the Office, Microsoft Office Suite. Now you can go for Microsoft Word. Okay. And this is a Word document. Here we will be working with Microsoft Word. Okay. As you can see, I have a paragraph here. നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ ഒരു പാരഗ്രാഫിൽ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ ഹെഡിങ്സ് സെന്ററിലായിരിക്കും കുറച്ച് ബിഗ് ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ. Now let's see how we can change it. Okay. First we can just select the heading. We need to be changed. And here in the font group, you can select the style which you want. Okay. And if you want to increase the size, you can increase by going to the font size. നമുക്ക് ഇഷ്ടത്തിനുള്ള ഫോണ്ട് സൈസ് കൊടുക്കാം. Okay, if you want to change the color also you can do it here. See, and in the paragraph you can see ഓരോ ലൈൻ കഴിയുമ്പോഴുള്ള ലൈൻ സ്പേസിന്റെ അളവ് വളരെ ചെറുതാണ് അല്ലേ. നമുക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഇത് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. I will show you how we can do it. Okay, see, I am selecting these two lines. So the line I selected here in the paragraph option you can see an option called line and paragraph spacing. And you see, you have to click it. In that, it's in, now you can see it is in 1.15. Let's see how it will be in 2.0. ഞാൻ 2.0 എടുത്തപ്പോൾ എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? ഓരോ ലൈൻ കഴിയുമ്പോഴുള്ള സ്പേസിന്റെ അളവ് കൂടി വന്നു അല്ലേ. പിന്നെ അതിനെ നമ്മൾ 1.0 ആണെങ്കിലോ തീരെ ഇല്ല. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണോ ആവശ്യം അതനുസരിച്ച് കൊടുക്കാം. നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ആയിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കൊടുക്കുന്ന സൈസാണ് 1.15. Okay. Now let's see how can we give space before and after paragraph. Okay. Now I have made this paragraph into 2 paragraphs. Okay. And I am going to select these paragraphs. And in the same way go to line and paragraph spacing. Here you can see the option called add space before paragraph or remove space before and after paragraph. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഓൾറെഡി സ്പേസ് ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്കത് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്താൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും നോക്കാം. സി, റിമൂവ് സ്പേസ് ആഫ്റ്റർ പാരഗ്രാഫ് എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? പഴയ പോലെയായി. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഇതിന്റെ സ്പേസ് കൊടുക്കാനാണെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് സെലക്ട് ഇറ്റ്, ഗോ ടു ലൈൻ ആൻഡ് സ്പേസ് പാരഗ്രാഫ്, ആഡ് സ്പേസ്. So I hope children you all understood the topic which I have discussed with you today. If you are not clear about it, you can contact me. Okay, in the next class you will see further more uses of Microsoft Word. Okay children, till then be safe, stay healthy and be happy.